Hey guys, so evidently we have another hurricane and this one is Matthew, I think. And yeah, so that's exciting, right? No, it's not exciting. I don't like these hurricane things, even though they're not really... Oh, there's Austin. Say hi!
Hi!
Even though they're not really like crazy hurricanes.
Can I make
Sure, bud. I don't like them, even though they're not like destructive where we're at. It's just, I don't know how to deal with these. Here's Scott. So yeah, I don't know. It's starting to rain now, but we're waiting at the bus stop, and I guess we'll see what happens. It's Tuesday today. They already canceled our game, our soccer game Saturday, because of the storm that we're supposed to get. So I don't really know what all we're supposed to get, but of course it's raining because I didn't bring the little stroller with the umbrella. I brought the big stroller with no umbrella because I'm crazy, and it is super sunny outside, so why would I think it would rain? Bugs get my... Seriously, like, it's sunny. Doesn't make any sense. But yeah, I just thought I'd update you on where we're at. Nothing really new happening. Not like in this whole Amazon thing. I don't really get that. But there's enough drama about that online and I don't want to deal with it. So yeah. My nice day is all over there. It's all leaving and we're getting this in. A bunch of gray clouds, and I don't want to see that. And that needs to go away because we still haven't got Jordan yet, and I don't want to be out here when it's raining. Not fun. Here's the boys.
I can't hold it off.
Say hi.
Hi! I can't hold it out.
Bye again.
Is it raining time now?
It's raining, and the bus is still not here, and the bus is late, and we have no umbrella. Great day. Great day.
Not a great day.
Not a great day?
It's a raining day.
It is a raining day.
It closes the sun.
It closes the sun. Yeah, tell us. Hey, come back, sun.
Come back, sun. I need some. Don't the Christmas.